What's your advice for people who love to dream but hate to work?
I would tell them never give up on their dreams. They should just keep sleeping. That's the only place dreams work without effort. What happened, Daddy?
I'm in love.
With who?
With Mommy.
Oh. You must cry more.
What happens when Mommy and Daddy argue?
Daddy always gets quiet.
Why?
Because he wants to live. Hello, Daddy.
Hello?
Can you call your wife?
Okay, why? What's wrong with her?
She's watching her phone for 2 hours and didn't feed me. I am very hungry.
Oh my gosh. Where do babies come from?
The hospital factory.
A factory?
They build them in tiny rooms and test their quiet before shipping.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No. Boys are too stressful.
Why do you think boys are stressful?
Just look at my daddy. Daddy, why did Mommy marry you?
Because I'm handsome.
Are you sure, Daddy?
You don't believe me?
Who has more money, Mommy or Daddy?
Mommy.
Really?
Because Daddy gives all his money to Mommy.
Then what does Daddy have?
Stress.
Who is the smartest in your house?
Me.
You?
Yes. I know where Mom hides the snacks and Dad doesn't. Mommy?
Yes, baby?
Mommy, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
When are you and your husband planning to start paying my allowance?
What is your dream?
To have $50 billion like my daddy.
Oh, your dad has $50 billion?
No, that's his dream too.
Tell us something about your dad.
Daddy says he's the boss of the house, but every night Mommy sends him to take out the trash like an employee.
What does Mom say a lot?
She says 1 minute.
Is it 1 minute?
No, it's a mom minute. Nobody knows how long that is.
How do babies get inside Mommy's tummy?
They eat a tiny seed.
A seed?
Yes. If you drink too much juice, you get twins.
Why do babies sleep all day?
They're charging.
Charging for what?
To scream all night.
Why don't babies have teeth?
They forgot to install them.
Install them?
Yeah. That update comes later. Daddy,
Yes, baby?
why are you afraid of Mommy?
I'm not afraid of anyone.
Mommy, big ghost in this house.
Really?
I sleep here in the middle, but wake up way over there. The ghost looks like Daddy.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, the boys are stressful.
Oh, how do you know that?
Look, they're my dad. I have a dad.
Who snores the loudest at night?
Dad,
How loud?
the walls shake. Even my bunny covers her ears.
So tell me, where do babies come from?
They grow in Mommy's tummies and then they come out.
And how do they get in the tummy?
The Mommy eats special seeds. Like watermelon seeds.
Do you know where babies come from?
You go to the hospital and they give you one if you have enough money.
Is that right? And where did the hospital get the babies?
They grow them in the basement. Daddy, why did you marry Mommy?
Because your mom is beautiful.
Why are you lying, Daddy?
Oh, man.
Is Daddy the boss of the house?
Only when Mommy is taking a nap.
And when she wakes up?
He goes back to his yes ma'am setting.
Who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Ooh. Why daddy?
He buys me toys.
Oh, yeah? What about mommy?
He hides them. Don't make mommy mad. Did you hear me?
I just forgot the groceries.
Make mommy mad, the bad guy. You're the bad grocery.
What if mommy forgets the groceries?
Then we order takeout.
Oh my god. Okay, sweetheart.
Hey, lady, my dad is married. Stop calling him. Baby, I'm your mom. Sorry, Mommy.
How do you think babies are made?
They mix flour and milk and then wait 9 months.
9 months? Why so long?
Because it's a slow cooker recipe. I hate you, Daddy. You tricked me.
Oh my god. Tell me, do you like school?
Not really.
Oh, why not? School is fun.
They give homework.
But homework helps you learn, right?
No, it helps parents remember school.